Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious fried rice and beans. I know I'm too extra because I've been told that countless times. Just bear it in mind that I am committed to sharing with you countless ways you can enjoy your Nigerian food. So make sure to just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. I'll be pouring my beans into the pot. I use these black-eyed beans or iron beans as we call it here, and I've already washed it. Like I have sipped out the black water, so I'll be pouring in my rice. It has also been washed. I'll be adding the chicken stock, onion balls. I decided to add the onion like this so that I won't have a lot of overcooked onion in the food. I'll be adding curry, salt, chicken seasoning powder, and my adobo seasoning. This will be enough to season the rice and beans properly. I'll be pouring in water, just enough to just cover the rice to cook. The liquid has dried out and the rice and beans is ready. I'll be taking out the onion ball. We are done using it as it has given us the flavors that we need from it. So I'll be taking this off fire now. We'll prepare to fry our veggies. I'll be adding oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'll be adding in the sausages I'll be using. Don't come for me. This is how I like my sausages, this brand. So I'll be adding in my carrots and green beans. So I'll be stir frying all these veggies. I'll be adding in my scotch bonnet pepper and bell peppers. Add in my chicken seasoning powder and salt. We'll continue to stir the veggies together. I'll go ahead now to pour in our cooked rice and beans, and I'll be doing this in batches. So I'm going to add and I'll stir and fry. After all, it's fried rice and beans we are preparing, but it's more advisable to add in your rice or anything to your veggies in batches. That way it can absorb all the flavors from the veggies. We've added in the last batch of our cooked rice and beans. So now I'm going to be adding in my spring onion. So this is just to finish it up and give it a good taste, color, and the rest. So I'm just going to stir this together, and as you can see, our fried rice and beans is ready. And this is the moment I like, the moment of truth. So I'm going to serve this and test it on you guys' behalf. I will tell you what I think. But man, see how this is looking so lovely. You should try it out. So I'm going to test it on your behalf and tell you what I think. So here is my verdict. This thing is so nice. It is definitely a must try, because I know some people add kidney beans to their fried rice. So what is stopping you from trying out adding black-eyed beans to your fried rice? You would totally enjoy it. Don't worry, I'm already rushing because I don't like cold food at all. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would like to see you again. Bye.